Amazing air vehicles are flying high. Let's explore them. This is an aeroplane. It flies in the sky and carries people from one place to another. This is a helicopter. It can take off and land straight up and down. This is a hot air balloon. It rises into the sky using hot air. This is a biplane. It has two main wings, one above the other. This is a gyrocopter. It uses a spinning rotor above it to help it fly. This is a drone. It can fly without a pilot inside. This is a cargo plane. It carries boxes, goods, and other large items. This is a parachute. It helps people safely come down. This is a seaplane. It can take off and land on water. This is a rescue helicopter. It helps people in danger. This is a blimp. It is a large air vehicle filled with a gas that helps it float. This is a paraglider. A person uses a large fabric wing to glide through the air. This is an air ambulance. It carries sick or injured people quickly to a hospital. This is a fighter jet. It is a fast aircraft used by the military. This is a cable car. It carries people high above the ground. Yeah! Wow! We learned about 15 amazing air vehicles today. Please like and subscribe. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye!